Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Cimbali Jr. And this machine was brought in because it wasn't heating. And what we had found is by testing the heating element is that had gone bad and needed to be replaced. So we replaced it, and then once the machine was on and heating, we noticed the pump wasn't pumping water into the boiler. So we went ahead and replaced that as well. And that may have been the cause for the heating element to fail in the first place. Not enough water in the boiler means that the heating element will overheat and then just essentially break itself. Well, here it is. And and also on the hot water one, there was an inner ring for the assembly that had become disconnected, and so hot water wouldn't come out of the hot water, only steam. But here it is, functioning, and we'll test it. Looking good. Alright, we'll stop there at about 2 ounces. Okay, now we'll test the other features. We'll do steam. Nice strong steam. Some hot water. Looking good. Alright, there it is. Cimbali Jr. working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.